This is Adam with Adam's Cush Chronicles here. We're going to take a look at how the construction is going on the new Total Mayhem at Six Flags Great Adventure. It's November 21st, the first day of Holiday in the Park 2015. Unfortunately, there's not a whole lot to see yet. Both of the theaters that were here are gone. Basically, we got a crane. We've got basically just an empty plot of land. They cleared everything, but no track yet or anything like that. Let's see if I can get some kind of shot of inside here. Here we go. As you can see, it's pretty cleared out. Not a whole lot of stuff back there, but it's good to see the construction's underway here. Imagine now they have stuff cleared out. Hopefully they'll start getting some track and stuff soon. So that they can start work. But not a whole lot going on here yet.